And if I may just take a moment for some solidarity. It's been a crazy time period. Different sides fighting injustices, protests to fight the injustices. And I'll just say, we're pretty much on the side of progress. And it's very important to us that everyone is treated equally and get their own share. It's going to take some time, and we're going to have to fight many battles along the way. As bad as this quarantine has been, I will actually say it's opened our eyes quite a bit. We're now paying attention to the media, and people are actually really going out there and making a difference to fight all the injustices in the world. There's just a lot of confusion out there, and I just feel like, and I'm sure I speak for everyone who's involved, we just want the marginalized to be heard. No one deserves to be taken down in such an unfair fashion. No one deserves to be bullied. No one deserves to be hurt. And if we have to be loud, so be it. And I know it's scary. You have your beliefs and you're probably on a fence. You may not want to go up against your family who thinks differently, or go up against your friends who think differently. But if you feel a certain way deep down, and hopefully and fight the injustices of the world, this is no longer the time to be quiet. This is more of a time to get loud. So I urge you this. It's not enough that you're not racist or not a bigot. You have to be anti-racist and anti-bigot. There are marginalized groups now that need our voices heard, have to make an impact. Yes, we're gonna probably be arguing with our family, arguing with our friends, but you can't be silent anymore. None of us can. And look, it's just important that you get your voice out there. And I really hope you are thinking of other people when you're doing so. I think a lot of the problems in the world happen because people think about how it affects them. But remember, you think about how things affect others, and you protect the marginalized. You protect the African American community, the Asian community, the Hispanic community, the Latin community, the LGBTQ community, all of it. You have to really fight for it. You can't just be an ally now. You have to be a fighter for it. Use your words and share links and share articles and share different things to help the word get out there. We don't want to hurt the people who disagree with us. We want them to understand. And the best way to understand the struggles of someone is by, well, the actor technique. Basically, what an actor does to understand the character they portray is they put themselves in that character's shoes, how they would react, and they would magnify it onto themselves. I want you to do that. I want you to imagine yourself in a situation. You may be Caucasian and you may never had the same struggles as another race, but think about any time that you were discriminated against for anything, and then amplify that. And then maybe you'll understand why it's important to fight. And the best way you can fight is by the smallest details. Like I said, by the smallest details, share an article, make posts, sign some petitions. In the description below, I have some links there for you. Links to help you get to some petitions. Petitions to help out against the injustice. It's the little details, but it builds. It really does. So I'll provide that in the description box below, and please click and sign. And you don't have to donate. You can donate to help the causes, and that'd be great. But I understand with us being quarantined, we're kind of low on funds, right? So if you can't donate, then share the link. From AnMax Maximus, thank you very much, and be safe.